and voltmeter is connected parallel. Then make that connection also. Ammeter in series, voltmeter in parallel. Your attention please. You can take your seat. Some instructions are here. Then afterwards you can go on to. Afterwards you can come. So whatever you have done, it is semi-automatic starter. Sometimes what happens is even you have also done that. Without your knowledge, I have told you to keep for 10 seconds. If you don't hold the push button for 10 seconds, then it works as dual only. So start delta effect will not be taken. So almost it will direct online starter. Then your maximum demand will go up. Then all your desktop people they will put penalty, and all your transformer capacity, everything will go high. For that purpose, we have to go for timer. Because only thing is here we have timer cost we have saved. Otherwise in industries normally we go for fully automatic start delta only. So in timer we have one NO and one NC, timer coil will be there. So based on that we have to connect the start delta connection. Right? So right now how many of you still you have to do? Start delta please raise your hand. Only 4, 5, 6. So then I will get you another half an hour time. You can do semi-automatic, then you have to go for fully automatic. Afterwards you have to go for power factor control. Then selection of start delta. Selection is very very important. Right? Which contactor? For example for 10 HP motor, which is the main contactor, which is the star contactor, which is delta contactor. So NOLC, all those things you have to select. After that I will get you the selection chart. Afterwards you can do that. Right? So these are the basic circuits used in industry, any industry. For example, in your Gulbarga also, you go to any industry, these are the ready circuits what you have got. So any problem, definitely you already understood. So in that actually our Mr. Shivsharnappa, he told, sir, how to edit any contactor. Let it be Siemens, let it be L&T, whatever it may be. First you have to check which is power contact. That you know how to check. Afterwards NO, NC, then coil. And in some cases you require some more NO. You can add add-on block will be there. So either you have seen the add-on blocks. So any number of NO, NC you can add it. Some companies they give in the side. Some companies give in the top of the contactor. So accordingly you have to select. Only thing is you should know how to test the NO, NC coil. And you know how to test the relay, accordingly you have to get the connection. Any doubt? Yes.
Why we need to hold it for 10 seconds?
That is, no, you have to run the motor in start condition. For example, the whole thing is, I already explained, in the start condition, motor does 1/3 of the current. That means almost 70% current will be reduced. For example, if it is drawing 30 amps, in the starting current only 10 amps. So in the 10 amps you have to run the motor for 10 seconds. Then you can go to delta. That means you have to give the pickup to the motor. Pardon?
Starting current.
Yes, starting current. Starting current. You have to reduce the starting current. 10 seconds you have to reduce, then. Actually in the older days this manual start data was there. First they have to run in start, then delta. So same thing. But here we are done in the contactor logic. Any other questions? Questions please. Then after this we have fully automatic. Of course auto transformer is there. Of course we are not doing this class because time takes more. I will tell you just briefly. Auto transformer is there. In auto transformer, in the incomer itself, in the relay we connect one transformer to reduce the current. So that is auto transformer starter. Then slip-ring starter. In slip-ring starter, we get 3-step, 4-step, 6-step, 8-step, all those. So what happens? In starter, we get only 2 steps. One is star, one is delta. In some of the applications, for example, in cement factories, pulp mill, and then blowers, all those things still smoother current, still smoother current. So for that, what will we do? We go for slip-ring starter. In slip-ring starter, just I will explain you. Your MCB, contactor, motor will be there. And in slip-ring motor, there will be a winding in the rotor also. So by step, we remove the resistance. Rotor is connected through external resistance by step, 3 steps. Because some cases this 2-step is not sufficient. First step, second step, then motor runs in full direction. Then 3-step is also there, 4-step, 5-step, 6-step. What smoother you want, you can have the in slip-ring starter. That is one thing. In some of the cases, this is the latest design. That is VFD, variable frequency drive. So N is equal to 120 F by P. So to control the speed, either you are changing only number of poles. For example, 4 pole means 1500 RPM, and 6 pole means 960 RPM, and 8 pole means 750 RPM, 2 pole means 3000 RPM. We know only that much. Now we learn how to vary the frequency. Frequency means it is number of cycles. AC nalli enagutte, every time current reverse the direction of flow. One sati munde hogutte, one sati munde hogutte, one sati. Really, I will show you. But you time kodಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ. Time ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Right? Only thing is, first it moves. ಎಲ್ಲ electrons ಏನಿದೆ, first forward action, reverse action. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ AC ನಲ್ಲಿ. Whereas in DC only one direction flow. That is why it is called direct current. So AC ನಲ್ಲಿ every time it changes the direction of flow, its movement. That is called frequency. So ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ 50 cycles per second. That means 50 cycles means in a second 50 times it changes the direction of the direction. So that is frequency. Now we learned how to vary the frequency. Instead of 50, we start from 0, 1 frequency, 2 frequency, thereby starting from 0 to 3000 RPM very smoothly you can. That is VFD. That we have got VFD. Afterwards we will demo that. Right? I think this is sufficient. Now we go for your one. Finish semi-automatic, then afterwards let us go for fully automatic. Okay? All the best.
So let us ask our Mr. Shiv Prasad how about the experience they got from the college or our students. How are the students, how they are doing the training, these students training.
Okay, it's Sandeep Sheelavan. As soon actually our program was in Raichur. We finished the Raichur program and the principal told, sir, Gulbarga is 200 kilometers only. You carry on. They are record, not well. So 200 kilometers. Why can't you do some your training in Gulbarga college, that settling area? Then immediately all the it has booked to VRL. We brought everything to your college and immediately your Mr. Sheelavan. He has accepted. Really wholeheartedly accepted. He told us definitely we can do. After that, we invited a lot of contractors, working engineers, everybody. Of course, since it was a short time, so that we couldn't able to collect more number of contractors and working people. Anyway, this you are given. And your principal, Mr. Ravi Sonda, he also accepted in a very good manner. I am very happy. So 2 days really is a wonderful experience for me. You are nice college, nice good, and that too your chairman. Yesterday he came and stand here outside and he has heard what very impressed with our training. He told definitely henceforth let us make some memorandum of understanding, let us do something, let us do some good things to students. We are here because today college and industry should be interaction, should be more in a good manner. Otherwise it is of no use. That let us do from outside, definitely. Thank
Next
you.
time, full-fledged, full planning.